The inspection that helps to stop aircraft disasters. What is an independent inspection, and why do they matter? This single inspection has potentially stopped aircraft disasters. An independent inspection means the person who did the work cannot be the person who signs it off. It exists for one reason. Humans miss things, especially when tired, rushed, or under pressure. Flight controls, engine components, and landing gears are some of the systems that have independent inspections. These aren't double-checked because engineers aren't trusted. They're double-checked because experience shows they must be. Independent inspections catch crossed cable runs, loose fittings, missing locking devices, things you won't see once the aircraft leaves the ground. Most serious maintenance errors weren't caused by lack of skill. They were caused by other factors, including fatigue. That's why independent inspections exist. Not as bureaucracy, but as the final human barrier between a defect and a disaster. Like and subscribe for more aviation and engineering insights. Joe Tour Aviation.